Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about average handle time, which is a crucial metric in contact center, and provide details on how it is calculated in Dynamics 365 Contact Center. This metric is essential for understanding the efficiency and effectiveness of our customer service operations. Average handle time, or HT, is the average duration of a single customer interaction, including all the time spent on the call, any hold time and after call work or wrap-up time required to complete the interaction. It helps us to gauge how efficiently we are handling customer inquiries and resolving issues. Let's look at the components to calculate HT for voice call. Total talk time, the cumulative time agent spent talking to the customers. Total hold time, cumulative time agent put the customer on hold. Total after call work time, cumulative time agent spent completing tasks related to the call after the call has ended. Total number of calls handled is the total number of customers' interactions handled by the agents. And the AHT is calculated by adding the total talk time, hold time, and wrap-up time and dividing it by the total calls handled. Let's see how this is calculated in Dynamics 365 Contact Center for voice by looking at a scenario in a timeline view. When a customer contacts support, they are initially greeted by IVR. If the IVR is unable to resolve the issue, it escalates the call to a human agent. Talk time begins when a human agent accepts the call and joins the conversation. During the call, an agent might place the customer on hold to troubleshoot the issue or consult with another agent. At this point, the talk time is paused and the hold time begins. Once the agent completes the necessary checks, they resume the call, ending the hold time and restarting the talk time. After resolving the issue, customer hangs up, which ends the talk time. Wrap-up time begins and agent documents the case, which ends when the agent closes the conversation. Handle time is calculated by adding up talk time, hold time, and wrap-up time. Now let's look at the components to calculate the HT for digital messaging and chat. Active chat time is the cumulative time agents spend actively chatting with the customer. Active wrap-up time is the cumulative time agents spend completing the task related to the chat after the customer has ended the chat. Total number of chats handled is the number of customer interactions handled by the agent. AHT is calculated by adding active chat time and active wrap-up time and dividing it by total chats handled. Let's see how this is calculated in Dynamics 365 Contact Center for chat by looking at a scenario in a timeline view. When a customer reaches out to support, they are first greeted by a bot. If the bot cannot resolve the issue, it escalates the chat to a human agent. Active chat time starts when the human agent accepts the chat and joins the conversation. During the chat, an agent may multitask by handling other customer chats and switching between different sessions. When the agent switches away from a chat, active chat time pauses and inactive chat time begins. Once the agent returns to the customer session, inactive chat time ends and active chat time resumes. After the customer issue is resolved, the customer leaves the chat, ending the active chat time. Active wrap-up time begins and the agent documents the case, which ends when the agent closes the conversation. Handle time is calculated by adding the active chat time and wrap-up time. Understanding and managing AHT is vital for maintaining a high level of customer service and operational efficiency. By using Dynamics 365 Contact Center, you can ensure that your contact center runs smoothly and effectively, providing the best possible experience for your customers. For more information, please refer to our documentation. Thank you for watching.